Hey guys, today I want to talk about the 7 myths of property investing and some of the things that people, believe out there in the investment world, and that stops them from making money in this, in this really lucrative real estate market, especially nowadays. First of all, sometimes people have been in the investment market and they go to a few seminars, they think, oh my God, everybody's an investor. Reality is only a tiny percentage of Australians actually own more than one home, even if they own a home at all. Right, so there's already that part of it. Some people never own more than the one home. Very few people own more than 1 or 2 properties, and very, very tiny percentage, like it's point of percents, that actually own multiples of properties, like 10 and more properties. So not everybody's going to invest. The second myth is that you need money to make money, only the rich can afford to invest. That is not strictly true. Virtually anybody that's got a disciplined approach to saving money can invest in property. It's all about your cash flow management, right? And actually saving up enough money to buy the next property, or maybe buying a positively geared property that virtually is financed by the banks with just a small deposit. It's worth saving for, right? It's just how you manage your money. The other myth is that every real estate that you buy is going to go up eventually. Well, that's possibly true, but some real estate doesn't go up in your lifetime. Means you're going to be dead before you're going to make money on it. If you pay too much in a depressed area or in a country town where the population is dropping, obviously there's ghost towns out there in the countryside. There's very bad suburbs in cities as well where property prices aren't moving because of some other factors. So it's not strictly true. So be careful about the hype about, yes, every property has to go up eventually. Make sure you do your due diligence and buy the right types of property. The next one was, the next property myth that I hear bandied around a lot is that you have to negatively grease your property, right? That it's a good strategy. Well, it can be good up to a point, because obviously you get tax deductions. So if, for example, the market is about to boom, or it's booming market, right, and you get into a property, you negatively gear it, the property goes up in value, you make a lot more money, right? And obviously you cut your taxation as well. But generally speaking, it's not a good idea to be negatively geared, because if the interest rates go up, then you've got an outflow of cash and you're not going to be able to hold the property. You're going to have to sell it, and then you're going to lose money on it. The other myth is that debt is bad. You know how parents often told us, don't get into debt? Well, debt is bad if you're borrowing on a credit card to go on an overseas holiday to Bali. That is bad. That is bad if you're borrowing money to maybe buy a car, because the car immediately depreciates. However, some debt is good. If you borrow to buy investment properties, then obviously that's a good thing, because the property is going up in value. They're not going down in value. So some debt is bad. Or if you're buying into a business, right? Again, that debt can be good as well, because the business is going to make you money to repay the loan. And lastly, just the other myth is that, that if you don't have the rich parents, or if you're young enough, you're too young, you're too old. There's a lot of excuses that people make about being successful. It's only your determination that's going to determine whether or not you're going to be successful in real estate investing. So don't let anybody tell you can't do it. If you believe in yourself, if you go out there, do your research, anybody can make money in real estate. I hope that's been helpful to you. Until next time, signing off, Peter Sun. Hey guys, now if you want to get instant access to all my free videos, reports, case studies, and other useful tools in order to make money in the real estate business, please head over to our website right now. It's all there for you, absolutely free. Just go over there now.